Well, what's the market open this Tuesday morning? Given the fact that we didn't really have very positive cues coming in from Wall Street, the fact that Asia as well was looking a bit mixed, we were expecting to open on the back foot, but quite the contrary. After yesterday's downfall, the fact that the broader markets as well were underperforming, today it's quite a healthy start, you can say. So 100 plus points on the index, 113 nearly on the frontline index at 14,400 levels. You've got the Sensex, which is up about 440 points. So 49,000 back on the screen. And the broader markets, which had definitely seen quite a rout yesterday, have perked up today. So 1.3% for both the mid and the small caps. And the gains are across the board. It's not isolated to select sectors. You've got all your sectors which are comfortably in the green. But the leadership coming in from media, real estate, energy, PSUs, as well as infrastructure and IT. So that breadth is moving in favor of the gaining side. It's a long list of gainers. Tata Motors seeing some reprieve, 2.5%. Adani Ports, ONGC, Grasim, Coal India, SBI Life looking smart. RIL in the green at 2015. IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Finance, GAIL, JSW Steel, Maruti and NTPC, they're all smart movers. Very small list of losers, UPL, Eicher Motors, Tata Steel, and you've got ITC looking a little bit quiet, but it's literally restricted to that very tiny list of losers. Let's take you through then some of the newsmakers in trade. Apollo Hospitals, we got you the news and now it's confirmed with respect to the company's QIP. The stock is currently at 25.88. The floor price set at 25.08. Maruti Suzuki has gone ahead and hiked the prices of its select models owing to the increase in input cost. The stock is currently at 7,918. Meantime, check in on IRB Infrastructure. The company came out with a muted set of numbers, but they said that now the worries regarding COVID are behind. 115 on that stock. India Mart, it was a fabulous set of numbers across the board, and that company delivered a very strong operational performance. Revenues grew, perhaps baked into the price, which has been running up hard and fast of late, and the stock is currently up about 0.5%. Mindtree as well, a solid set of earnings is what they delivered, 4% on that stock, looking good in trade. So those are some of your newsmakers. You've got Chola Investment as well in focus. There's been a management rejig. Let's check in on the broader markets, 1.5%, so it's a comfortable outperformance there for the mid and the small caps. And there's a whole host of winners as well in trade. You've got something like IBREL, Mindtree, Hindustan Copper in the green, India Cements bouncing back, Z Entertainment, L&T Finance, Tata Elxsi, Inox Leisure, L&T Technology, India Bulls Housing all looking good. Aavas Financiers in the red, UPL losing out, Eicher Motors, Ipca Labs, Apollo Hospitals and PNG in the red.